Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce some of the new products on my right hand. This boba tea stations, the combinations, the sink units. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. And the units entire length, they are almost about like a 78 and 3 4 inches long, and they about like a 27.5 inches deep. From the floor to the edge of the surface, they are almost about like a 31.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units come with the feet on the bottoms. So the heights from this feet, they are slightly adjustable. So you can just maintain the balance to secure the units and don't shaking. And also we can see they come with the separated parts on top of it. This is shelvings. You can put the accessories or any like bills or any drinks, the holders, cups on top of it. And they give a dimension. The widest parts, it is about like a 13 inches deep. And the height for this shelving on top of it is about like a 25 inches. And also when you're looking the closers, we can see they have a couple screws mounted at the bottoms. So top the shelvings is pretty stable. And also we come in with the two separate the sink systems on each of the side. And they having the drain, the connections going the bottoms and goes out from the units. And dimension of this sinks, it is about like 15 and 3 4 inches wide, and the 13 and 3 4 inches deep. And the height for the sinks is almost about like a 9 and 3 4 inches. And also from this side, we can see the water faucets. You can turn to each side, and they give you the hot waters and cold water functions from same unit. On the side, they also have a small the drink bars for you to put all the cups after clean it and waiting it dry. And also in the center of the units, we do have an extra space. It is about like a 15.5 inches deep and 15 and 3 4 inches wide. And the clearance heights, they are almost about like 8 inches. So we can see all the major body they're made by stainless steels, and we do have a full doors at the front. And how they lock it, they have handles right here. And actually behind of the units, we can see the mount with the mechanisms for you to secure the doors. When we're looking the inner side, the depth of the unit is about like a 25 inches. Clearance heights, it is about like a 20 and 3 4 inches tall. The length of the units for the inner side about like a 78.5 inches. So that's probably the all demonstration information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.